Creating a subtask on Jira is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create a subtask and task on Jira. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Jira's homepage. Now in the homepage, you simply have to click on this board, and after clicking on board, you'll see a page something like that. There should be timeline. You just have to click on board to be on this page. Now, in order to create a task, you simply have to click on this column, and then you can, suppose this is the page, and I want to create an issue or create a task. I'm just click on this create an issue, and I will simply create a login. So I'm just gonna create a task. So after that, as you guys can see, the task is created. Now if you want to do the subtask, you just simply have to open the task, and then you can simply add a child issue and ask him to make it beautiful. So I'm just gonna, as you guys can see, I added a subtask in it as well. So if I click on that, and as you guys can see, I've created task and subtask in it as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.